guys, back to the doghouse today. I guess I'm going to do a bunch of little videos because I just got a bunch of little jobs to do, and I guess that's the way it's going to go. I don't have any big jobs to do, so let's get at it. First thing I want to say is that I got another sticker last night or yesterday in the mail from Iron Horse Garage. I think it's cool, except I lost it. As John would say, hold please. Hold. Cool. It's a cool sticker right there. Iron Horse Garage. I hope it turns out right for you guys. But anyway, he wrote a nice little note in the back here. It says, Andy, thank you very much for the sticker, and we hope you enjoy ours. We're glad to have you as a friend. Thank you for your support. Iron Horse Garage. Right on. Friends forever, eh? Right on. Cool, cool. So anyway, I'll put that in my little collection, and then when I get my board made up, I will stick them all on there. Anyway, it looks like my truck is jacked up nicely, eh? The reason being is, hang on, hold please. No, I'm not going to do that anymore. That's Jaws' thing. Sorry, Jaws. There, I got it jacked up. Two reasons for it. One, I got to change my tires. Two, I got to change my exhaust. I got to take my exhaust apart and reroute it. And I'll explain that later. But anyway, let's change the tires. Get back here. Hey, puppy. Hi, Bandit. Come over and see what I was doing, eh? That's one job done. Another job I got to do is I got to put my bumper on. Alrighty, I'm going to try to start the bumper now. I don't know what I can do. See, this is the bumper I was talking about before. I really like this style of bumper. Kind of wraps around. It's like the old Chevy bumpers. But I've got these five. I got 5 holes around here. They don't have anything evenly spaced, so I'm going to have to make my own holes evenly spaced. I just have to find out where all center is. I want to say this one here is center, so I'll line that up to the center of the truck. That's a good place to start, I guess. Well, here we go again. Somebody might get hurt here. Sure could use Keith. But anyway, I need something this high here. I don't have anything. And this one, still not high enough. Try 2 5-gallon pails. Might work. That's looking not bad. Tucks around here just nice. There we go. There's my new helper. There you go, there's my new Keith. Until he comes back. Yeah, so anyway, I'm going to get the real angle iron that I'm going to use for back here. Get that cut, get it drilled up, and get it mounted. I'm going to get this bumper mounted today, right on. I'll bring you back when I get the pieces cut, guys. When I cut myself two 6-inch pieces of, I guess that's 2.5-inch angle. And I think that'll work out good where I could drill a hole in here to go into there. There'll be 2 holes here. That's 1, 2, hold it there. Just continuing on with the Fargo, buttoning up loose ends and this sort of stuff. But as you can see, the tires are on. I think I showed you that yesterday. I really like them. They just top the truck off. I still have the back fenders to put on. I got the front bumper on. I like the front bumper. Yeah, Keith, he really helped hold the bumper up. If it wasn't for him, I couldn't have done it. But anyway, I think that looks sharp. Those little, you really can't see it from here, but the bumper bullet bolts, I really like them because I told you the story before. They are personal because I made these here back when I was working many years ago. But anyway, they're stainless steel. They'll never rust. They really don't show up that good with this camera here. It'd be better with my phone. But anyway, they're really bullet pointed here. I just don't, nobody leans up against my bumper. Then they're all knurled here. And something that I made, which makes it just a little bit special. I got my my bulletin board, if you want to call it that, done last night. This is the board that I'm going to use to put all the stickers on, all the shop stickers. And I'm going to hang that from the ceiling someplace. It's 6 feet wide, 3 feet high. So I got lots of room for lots of stickers, guys. So if you got a sticker you want to trade for a Andy's Doghouse sticker, contact me. All the information is on the About page of my my home page. Anyway, we'll move on to something else. And it's such a beautiful day today. Maybe I should just shut her down and enjoy the day instead of spending all my time in the garage. Okay, guys, I'm gonna shut her down for the day. I'm gonna go out and sit in the deck and have a couple Pepsi Colas. Enjoy the rest of the day. So anyway, thanks for hanging around. I appreciate all the support, all the comments. Enjoyed talking to you guys on the live programs that some of the guys have during the week. BW's Garage, that's a good one. I like going over seeing him. I see Love and Speed Shop is back. He just did a good video of him and his wife, Alicia, sanding down the car and getting it all ready. I don't know what their next step is, but I think it's going to be a good one. I think Herb is getting all excited about getting the car together now that it's summertime. Go get him a Herb. Mishka Muscle Garage, he's got a live stream going now and again. That's normally good. A lot of good car guys, especially if you have any trouble with motors, transmissions, this sort of stuff. That's one to go see. Michigan Muscle Garage. That guy knows his motors inside and out, and he's good on transmissions. He's got a lot of contacts with race cars, this sort of stuff, building the engines and all this sort of stuff. But anyway, go check him out too. And if you want some really good entertainment, see Rat Rod Bob. That guy is, I don't know, I think he's been living alone way too long. He needs some company, and Red's just not cutting it for him. But anyway, those are just some of the guys that I check out. So for more entertainment other than Andy's Doghouse and his buddy Keith, go check them out. So anyway, see you later. Oh, I forgot to mention Dan's Garage NC and Ashley. They have a good live stream going. They just started the live stream not that long ago. They're an up-and-coming YouTuber fanatics. And Dan has a bunch of cars for sale too. It's got some good old gold. Check him out. It's Dan's Garage NC. Go buy a car. Tell him Andy sent you. Bye now.